lose and to pretend she's overboard and self-assured. Hey YouTube, and welcome to this video.
Coming to you loud and clear. Like the range, everyone's attention.
So in today's video, I'm so excited because I've literally been waiting. Today's the 29th. I literally waited 4 days to open this because I wanted to record the video for y'all, duh. But as y'all seen in my last video, when I opened my Christmas gifts, I got an iPad and an Apple Pencil for Christmas. So I will be unboxing this for you all, and I also ordered, I'm not sure my address, a paper light screen protector, a case, and an Apple Pencil for the iPad, which I'm gonna take out now for you all. I'm so excited, y'all. Like literally I've been waiting 4 days and I've been waiting to open this just for y'all. So anyways, so first, this is a screen protector. It's like a paper light screen protector. This case for it, this Apple Pencil case as well. This is like a little it's really for like regular pencils, and you just like put it on your notebook to like hold your pencil. But I think I'm gonna maybe keep my Apple Pencil in here if it doesn't fit in the case. Anyways, y'all will see. Yeah, I've been talking too long, so let's get into the unboxing, y'all. I'm so excited. Like, this iPad is like, you know, when you get a brand new iPad, if y'all have ever, or like any Apple product, like the packaging is literally like, I even kept like the plastic on, y'all. I'm for real. I didn't even tell y'all what iPad I got. So I have the iPad 8th generation, 128 gigabytes. And in the box it has the USB-C lightning cable, the power adapter, of course, like I think it comes with Apple stickers, and also the manual. Not the manual, but like, because iPhones really don't have like a manual, but y'all know what I mean. Yeah, and it is the Wi-Fi model, and it is rose gold. As you can tell, y'all, I'm so excited. And then to go with this iPad, I got the Apple Pencil, the first generation one, because that's the one that goes with this iPad. And there's not really any specs you need to know about this, I guess. I mean, yeah, it's just the first generation. So let's get right into this unboxing. Okay guys, so we are at the point of the unboxing, which y'all came here for anyways. So I'm gonna start with the iPad. So let me see how I'm gonna do this, y'all. This is so precious. I got some scissors. I hurt my hand, so I'm gonna try to work with my right hand even though I'm a lefty. But first peel. Okay, that peeled off all types of long, but y'all get the point. Let me hold it with this hand since. Wait. Okay, we are now. Okay. Let's open the box. Guys, look at it. Oh my goodness. This is so tough. So excited. So let's take it out of the box. OMG. Oh my goodness. Look, guys. Y'all, I'm so excited. Like, I don't even want to peel the plastic off, but let's go ahead and peel it off. Oh my goodness. Oops. y'all, so you know when you first power on your Apple device and it has the hello, hola, hello. Okay, anyways, so I am going to go ahead and set this up really quick. Okay guys, I'm back and now I'm on the screen where terms and conditions that nobody reads. So now it's saying it may take a few minutes to set up your iPad. So guess we wait. While I was doing that, let's unbox this Apple Pencil. There we go. It looks so clean, like. Okay, anyways, let's open this. Okay, so in here, let's see. There's a little adapter if you want to charge it with like the actual charger. Then it also goes with the extra pencil tip. The instructions on how to connect it, and then just other stuff that no one looks at, honestly. The Apple Pencil. Oh my gosh, this thing is kind of heavy. Sorry y'all for it. I'm opening it weird because I only have one hand. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Oh, it's like a magnet. Hooking the Apple Pencil up. Guess it's supposed to just pop up. Bluetooth pairing requests. Apple Pencil would like to pair with your iPad. Pair. Oh my goodness. Welcome to Apple Pencil. Okay, this is so cool. Guess I can take this out now, duh. So yeah, my handwriting is gonna kind of be ugly because I write with my left hand and not my right hand, but we're still gonna try. So try scribble. Even with my sloppy handwriting, it did it. Oh my gosh, it's so tough. Delete. Select. Oh my gosh. So y'all, this is so cool. Let's go to notes and let's see if we can try to write something there. Like I said, this is going to be ugly because this is my right hand. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Okay, so anyways, we have learned how to use the Apple Pencil. Now let's put the cases on both of these. Okay, let's unbox this. Which is the case for my iPad. Never seen this before. Oh, I like it. I like it. I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it, but I did. It's a portfolio case. It also has a slot for the Apple Pencil, and this is how the back looks. I really wanted a slim case, and this case actually is slim, so I'm happy. So let's put this in. Oh, this is so nice. And see, the Apple Pencil just fits right there, which is so cool. And take it out. Here is the iPad with, oh yeah, and it's sleep awake. Cool. And it also holds my Apple Pencil. But I also want to put this Apple Pencil case that I have up here on this. I don't think it's going to fit in the case with, I don't think the Apple Pencil is going to fit in the iPad case with this on, but let's still try. I don't really know what this is that came in there, but here's the actual sleeve. So let's go ahead and put this on. So I finally got the case on. This case also has this little loop at the top, so I can attach it. I don't know what I would attach it to, but I can attach it to something. And when I go to charge the pencil, this case holds the top end, so I never lose the top, which is why I got this case in the first place. And I actually like this. Like, this is nice. Nice. But yeah, it won't fit in the case with the pencil case on, so I don't know. Oh, that's what I got this other thing for. And I also got this thing, like I said, from Target. So I guess I'm just gonna have to store my Apple Pencil on this on the case, because oh wait, it doesn't even fit up here. And these are two different pinks. This is the case and the iPad together. The pinks are slightly off, but it's okay. It actually kind of feels like I'm writing on paper. Like, it sounds like writing on paper. So I also wanted to show you my old iPad, because I did have an iPad before this. I had this one, which is, well, actually I'll show y'all the comparison between my new one and my old one. So the one in the front is my old iPad, which is the iPad mini 2. I got this like a long time ago, like as a Christmas gift. And this is the new iPad, so you can tell like the size difference, like it's way bigger. But this iPad, my old iPad, isn't compatible with the Apple Pencil. So what I did was I brought this, which is an Adonit Dash 3. And I took notes on my iPad mini, which technically is not able to note take, because it's really not like a note-taking iPad since it came out so long ago. So I'm going to show you all, if I can pull up the thing, how I took notes on this iPad from like 2015, 2016, I don't even know. So I use this app called MetaNote or Metasnote, something like that. I'll put it on the screen so y'all can see a picture. But it's basically a free note-taking app, and I was able to take notes, but it was kind of hard because this iPad, this is more of a stylus and not like an Apple Pencil, and this iPad is not palm resistant, so I will often have to, like, let me see if I can show y'all. Like, you know how normally when you write, you rest your palm, but I would have to kind of write like this. And I actually got used to it. It wasn't that bad. Y'all, this iPad was so slow. Like, it only has like 16 or 32 gigabytes. Like, y'all, it was so slow. Okay, so this is the app I used. And it just has all these folders. I created folders for each one of my classes. And let me see if I can show you all like sample notes. Let's see. Actually, I'll include a picture here of my sample notes. Well, not my sample notes, but my actual notes that I have written through this app. And I actually did some pretty decent like notes. They're actually well written and neat, even though this iPad is not meant to take notes. Like I said, it's an iPad mini 2. And this Adonit Dash, this was about $30-$40. It wasn't that much. And you can also use this with like, it's a stylus, so you can use it with any like touchscreen device. And it just comes with like it's rechargeable, so it comes with a charger. But yeah, so that is how I used to take notes, but now I have upgraded. Okay, so thank you all for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.